Muthiaini wa kiumia kihituku Kamiti ya MIARIO ya WUIGUANO ni ahoire mbunge ya bururi mahe ihinda makiria niguo makorwo marikiririe maundu mothe maria mari metha-ini. Umuthi ambunge makiguithanirie kwongerera kamiti ino thiku ingi 30.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Mutongoria wa aria aingi mbunge-ini uria nowe muikariri giti wa kamiti ya MIARIO ino mwena wa Kenya Kwanza KIMANI augite ni marabatara ihinda makiria kurora maria mabatie kuiguithaniria na mitaratara iria miagiriru kiwatho.
The committee has made tremendous progress in exercise of its mandate and has achieved the following milestones: formulated and adopted the framework agreement, framed and adopted the statement of issues.
Further cognizant that the committee is presently in the process of considering the issues for negotiations and recommending appropriate constitutional, legal and policy reforms on each of the framed issues.
Kamiti ino irabatie gukorwo itirihite mihango eno gugikinya tariki 28 mweri uyu. ICUNGWA kiuga gugikinya tariki 26 mweri wa 11 ni magakorwo matemanitie riboti yao kuri President William Ruto na mutongoria wa Azimio Raila Odinga na thutha ucio kuri bunge ya bururi na ya Senate.
Since we are aware that the Senate is going on recess on the 19th of this month, it would only be advisable that we take this precaution.
Would have lapsed on Saturday 28th, and therefore we only had 5 days, Monday to Friday, and we sought therefore to come back to both houses, seek concurrence of the House to allow us more time, Honorable Speaker, to be able to engage and consider all the issues, as we said, in line with Article 10 of our Constitution.
Ikerekaine ria mbere, kamiti ino ni yakorirwe kiamukira mawoni kuma kuri anyiti itemi. Mawoni maya ari mamwe ma maria kamiti ino egukuruhania mendekithia-ini mao.
Not want to do a report that will not take into account all those issues, and therefore we are seeking that the concurrence of the House for extension of time. But may also, Honorable Speaker, in conclusion, say that the committee may not need to sit for the entire 30 days, but we are cautious that we do not come and seek an extension of 2 weeks or 15 days, then we run into problems and have to come to the House again.
Consequently, the committee shall be required to report to the leadership of Kenya Kwanza and Azimio coalitions on or before 26 November 2023 and thereafter submit its report to Parliament. As members of that opinion say aye. Aye. Will those of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Gatagati-ini ka maundu matano maria maraciririrwo, kamiti ino ni irikitie kuiguithaniria kugathikwo kwa mutaratara uria urithurimaga ithurano, kubwo weru gwa kamiti iria egutongoria mihango ya gucagura makamishna a IEBC, kubwo kwa wabici ya mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro na kugathikwo kwa watho wa maiganania, na ho guthondekwo kwa wabici ya Prime Minister na kugathikwo kwa kigina kia NGCDF, NGAF na kigina gia kugereka kabiru thirikari cia matura gia Senate na gutia watho wa ciama cia kiuteti.